Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality article submission backlink. So the website name is merchantcircle.com. So this is a website URL, and before the started we can do some research. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 85, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 78 and the spam score is only 2%. And if you can check this website traffic, so you will see according to similar web, this website having 375.8k monthly traffic, and mostly traffic from USA, India, Pakistan, Philippines, Ukraine, and another country. So this is the website URL, how you guys will create a profile on this website. So for this topic, I have already created video, and I can provide the video link in the description section. So where you guys will watch easily how you can create your profile, because firstly you guys will list your businesses here, create your business profile here, then you are able to publish your article. Okay, so how you can create account. So firstly, you guys have to install the Gen VPN, your VPN, and then you are able to see sign up option on this website. Then you are able to create your account here. Okay, so I have already created, and I can provide the video link in the description section. So where I have added the tutorial. So you can click on the login button. So let me enter this website, and this is your business listing dashboard. So there you can manage your listing. So now we can move to the blog section, and there you can add your title, article title. So this is the article I have. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. Recently generated this. Paste your article here, and if you wanting to insert any image, so you can click on the image button, and you can upload a new image here from here. I guess this is not supporting the image format. I guess I have downloaded the in WebP format. Okay, so let me use the only article, and then you can paste your content here. And if you're wanting, so you can optimize your heading into the heading tag, and there is tag optimization options, so you can optimize all the things. Then after that, how you guys will insert a hyperlink on this, on any keyword. So you can select your keyword, you will see there is a hyperlink button. You can click on this. There you can insert your website URL. Click on the save button, so your link is inserted. And if you're wanting to, you can add your tag as well. Click on the add button. Then once you guys will optimize all the things, you can click on the publish button, and you will see your article is published now. If I can click on this, how I can update post is updated, all post. Okay, so once I can open my listing, click on the view my listing button, and you will see here I have published a one article. If I can click on this, so this is the article, and if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you will see this is a 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So in the article, we have also created the very high quality do follow article submission backlink on this website. So overall, this is the process for the article submission. How if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, yaar, bye bye and take care.